Hello and welcome to another Soton Brain Hub video. My name is Charlie Taylor and today I'll be talking to you about auditory implants, more specifically cochlear implants. In this video we'll be exploring the key components of how an implant works and what they do. To understand auditory implants, let's start with the basics. Our ears are incredible sensory organs responsible for processing sound. The cochlea is a tiny spiral-shaped structure in the inner ear that is filled with fluid and lined with thousands of tiny hair cells. When sound waves enter the ear, they cause the fluid in the cochlea to move. This in turn stimulates these hair cells. These hair cells convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals, which are then sent to the brain via the vestibular cochlear nerve. The vestibular cochlear nerve is the 8th cranial nerve responsible for transmitting auditory information from the ear to the brain. It serves as the bridge that connects the cochlea to our brain's auditory processing centers. The cochlear division of the nerve is responsible for the special sensation of hearing, whilst the vestibular division is involved in balance, spatial sensation, and posture. Now, let's explore how auditory implants work. These devices consist of several key components that work together seamlessly to enhance hearing. Cochlear implants may be placed unilaterally or bilaterally and are used for moderate to severe sensorineural hearing loss and are often used in patients in which hearing aids have not been successful. First, we have the microphone and the processor. The microphone picks up external sound just like a natural ear would. The processor then converts these sounds into digital signals and fine-tunes them based on the user's unique needs. Next in the chain is the transmitter. This small device is usually worn externally and sends the processed signals wirelessly to the implanted receiver inside the ear. Inside the ear, this receiver receives these wireless signals and then passes them along to the final piece of the puzzle, which are the electrodes in the cochlea. These electrodes are implanted directly into the cochlea, and these tiny electrodes stimulate the auditory nerve fibers, bypassing the damaged hair cells and allowing the brain to perceive sound. In conclusion, auditory implants are fantastic, complex devices that help circumvent hearing damage in patients. By understanding the cochlea, the vestibular cochlear nerve, the microphone and processor, transmitter and receiver, we can appreciate the complexity of this technology. Thank you for joining me in this Soton Brain Hub video. I hope this video was helpful and be sure to check out our other videos.
Find us on Facebook, Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel to help explain the mysteries of the brain.